Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you that I've been speaking to on Stacker Social will know that I've just got back from holiday. I've just been away for a week in Poole. So I've literally just got home and I walked into this parcel through the letterbox. So extremely excited to do this unboxing. I haven't even finished unpacking and I haven't even had time to go to my usual setup location and set everything up. I've literally just grabbed my camera, chucked it on the tripod, and I'm sitting on the floor. So that's how excited I am to get into this unboxing today. Before we get into it though, let's show you the current collection that we have so far. This is the box that I keep them all in. 365 Days of Silver, Spot Price Bars 2025, produced by Louis Silver. Now, for those of you that have been following this series along, this is a series that tracks the spot price of silver. So the first trading day of every single month, we take the reading of the spot price of silver and we produce a bar that has that figure on it. So really cool concept, really great looking collection. And we're actually, M. Okay, right. Pop that over there. I'm not sure why that's in there. But yeah, as I was saying, this is the collection so far. We have hit the halfway mark already. So there's 6 bars out of 12. And this is going to be July's bar in here. So let's get straight into it. Now, so far, it's been a very up and down year in 2025 in terms of the spot price of silver. You can see in February, it was on the rise. March, it was going down. April, it was going up again. May, back down. And June, back up again. So it's been quite up and down, a bit of a bumpy ride in 2025. We actually started 2025 on £23.73 an ounce. And last month, the beginning of last month was £25.27. So already a nice increase halfway through the year. But let's get straight into it and see how we're looking for July's bar. Now, like I said, this literally arrived while I was on holiday, so I'm only just getting into it now. And I don't think Mrs. 365 is going to be too happy because, like I said, before I even finished unpacking my clothes out of my bag from holiday, I said I'm going to have to quickly go and film an unboxing because I need to get this video out there and I can't wait to see how it looks. So let's get straight into it. You can see that I'm making this more awkward than it needs to be by cutting underneath the box, and that is because I haven't even had time to blank out my address details on the other side. But there we go, this is the bar. Every single one comes really nicely wrapped with this rope. 365 Days of Silver, Spot Price Bars 2025. I'm really hoping the lighting is going to be doing this video justice as well. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, so good every time. Just looks so good. So you can see we've got 35.2 grams, so quite a large one. Really nice finish on this side. Let's have a look at the important part, which is the spot price. You can see we have another ball. So that is the second ball now in a row. Look, 2 balls. Up till now, it's been up and down, and we finally start to break away from that, and we're seeing a bit of a bull market trend appearing. So you can see £26.49 was the spot price on the first trading day of July, and that is up 4.83% from June. Absolutely stunning looking bar. Really nice. Every single one of these weigh at least an ounce. They're all hand poured and handmade by Louis. So every single one is slightly different. Every single one weighs slightly different. But every single one looks absolutely incredible. And they all fit very nicely inside this box. So let's add it to the box. And let's have a look. The first time we have broken that cycle. Like I said, up, down, up, and now another up. So are we entering a proper bull market now? Are we seeing the price of silver really start breaking out towards those all-time high numbers? It'll be very interesting to see what we finish the year 2025 on. Are we going to see £30 an ounce down here? That would be absolutely incredible to think. Like I said, we started the year at £23 an ounce. Already we're up to £26. So we're seeing a nice nearly £3 growth over the course of the last 7 months. So yeah, absolutely stunning collection. Really enjoying collecting these. Massive thank you to Nick and Rachel over at Valui. It's only a 2-person team and they are incredibly busy with all their own projects as well as doing these every single month. So a massive thank you again to both of you for making this collection happen. Let's have a quick look at the COA. July 001, 365, 001 and 35.2 grams. So yeah, one of the heavier bars, I think. If we look at last month, what did last month weigh? 33.8. So yeah, a couple of grams heavier than last month's. But that's the beauty of these bars. Although they weigh different amounts each month, they still all fit in this box very, very nicely. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think the next month is going to be another bull? Are we going to see the 3rd bull in a row? Or are we going to see a little bit of a pullback and see a couple more bears before we see the next bull? I'll be very interested to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. As always, thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much for all the support. And I hope you all have a very nice day.